Good morning, everyone. Sorry for the bedhead. Just woke up and make some coffee and breakfast, and I wanted to talk about my opinion regarding debit and credit cards. Morning again, everybody. My name is Jeff. As I mentioned earlier, just want to talk about a little bit about debit card and credit cards. I'm not really fond of debit cards just because that's technically access directly to your cash money. Like for example, if somebody would get a hold of your debit card number and use it to purchase something online, that's taking it directly from your checking account, compared to a credit card where if there's fraudulent or theft, you're not liable for it. The card issuer is the one that will be taking the hit for that fraudulent charges, just because by federal law you are protected from these fraudulent claims. Again, sorry for my bedhead, just kind of got up trying to make some breakfast and get some coffee going. Did you know if there was a fraudulent claim on your debit card, it might take them a few weeks, maybe up to a few months, just to get your money credited back, because they got to do investigations, and you know, some entities, some bank entities might even give you a little bit of liability for that fraudulent claim. So you might not be 100% covered. With a credit card, you are always 100% covered for any theft or fraudulent charges on your credit card. Just go about your business, keep doing what you're doing, and in the background, your credit card company will take care of that problem. They're insured for these type of issues. So always choose a credit card. I would avoid using your debit card. I've actually put mine away, that I don't even use it. I always put it on credit, and you also have other benefits of just using your credit card anyways. You guys like avocados? I do. Everything bagel. Seasoning blend, love it. Credit card versus debit card. Breakfast edition. avocado toast. You know, back in the days, they would use credit report. So, you know, finance your home, finance a car. But nowadays, they use your credit score for a lot more stuff. Your employer checks your credit report. Car insurance checks your credit report. So if you always use your debit card, let's say you used it for 5, 10, 20 years, it might increase your credit score by that much.
What does your credit score mean? Simply put, it's a number that represents your ability to pay off your debts. But there are a few things you should know to help you better understand your score. Credit scores range from 300 to 850 points. The higher, the better. Average credit scores range between about 660 and 720. And typically, a score above 680 will increase your chances of getting a loan, especially for a home.
That's why early on, taught my daughter to start using credit very early in her adult life. By the time she was 20, her credit score was nearly 800. So that could probably benefit her in the future and benefit myself as well. So I won't need to co-sign for a vehicle or a purchase of a home. That's just my 2 cents. And this is all my opinion. So I'm just bringing it out there, letting everybody know, you know, the potential hazards of using the debit card. Let's say, for like I was mentioning earlier, if somebody would have gotten a hold of your debit card number and put some fraudulent charges, and it took the bank a month or two to do their so-called investigation, and you were needing that money for rent, groceries, now you're out of luck. If you would have used a credit card, you know, you could have just keep going about your life. They'll cancel that credit card that had fraudulent charges. Day after, they would ship you another credit card for you to just keep using, and they'll take care of the fraudulent charges behind the scenes with you not even being stressed out if you would have used a debit card. Plus, the plus side of using a credit card, in most cases you got cash back, accumulate points for travel. You can use those to purchase gift cards. There's a lot more benefits of using a credit card. But I do say always pay those credit cards in full every month. Want to try to avoid those interest rates that are charging you if you do not pay it in full. Again, you know, good budgeting, knowing where your money is going, can potentially put you in a better financial situation, and it protects you for not using your debit card. Well, I hope this was informative, and stop using that debit card. Go ahead and you start using some credit cards that can accumulate some benefits for you in the future to use. Like I mentioned, travel, gift cards. Alright guys, have a good morning. Again, sorry for the bedhead. Just woke up, try to make some breakfast, get my coffee in. Like it says here, I'm grateful, appreciate it. Don't forget to smash that like button and enjoy some breakfast this morning, guys. Again, thanks for watching. Comment down below if you have any questions. That's it. Alright guys, have a good Sunday morning. Bye. Make sure to destroy that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, ding dong ding-a-ling that notification bell.